Peter Jackson, still trying to put together the July issue of Confrontation virtually single-handed, dives into the slush pile, which is the magazine industry's elegant name for unsolicited manuscripts, and comes up with more fallout from the Moon Malik Aum project of 1970. Orthodox Science, the New Religion, he reads.
Well, let's sample it. What the hell?
Opening at random, he finds,
Einstein's concept of spherical space, furthermore, suffers from the same defect as the concept of a smoothly or perfectly spherical Earth. It rests upon the use of the irrational number pi. This number has no operational definition. There is no place on any engineer's scale to which one can point and say, this is exactly pi, although these scales are misleadingly marked with such a spot. Pi, in fact, can never be found in the real world, and there are historical and archaeological reasons to believe it was created by a Greek mathematician under the influence of the mind-warping hallucinogenic mushroom Amanita muscaria. It is pure surrealism. You cannot write pi as a real number. You can only approximate it as 3.1417, etc. Chemistry knows no such units. 3 atoms of an element may combine with 4 atoms of another element, but you will never find pi atoms combining with anything. Quantum physics reveals that an electron may jump 3 units or 4 units, but it will not jump pi units. Nor is pi necessary to geometry, as is sometimes claimed. R. Buckminster Fuller has created an entire geometric system, at least as reliable as that of the ancient Greek dope fiends, in which pi does not appear at all. Space, then, may be slanted or kiltered in various ways, but it cannot be smoothly spherical.
What the ring-tailed ramblin' hell?
Peter Jackson said aloud. He flipped to the end.
In conclusion, I want to thank a strange and uncommon man, James Mallison, who provided the spark which set me thinking about these matters. In fact, it was due to my meeting with Mr. Mallison that I sold my hardware business, returned to college, and majored in cartography and topology. Although he was a religious fanatic, as I was at the time of our meeting, and would therefore not appreciate many of my discoveries, it is due to this man's perverse, peculiar, and yet brilliant prodding that I embarked on the search which has led to this new theory of a pentahedroidal universe. W. Clement Kotex, Ph.D.
Far fucking out,
Peter muttered. James Mallison was a pen name Joe Malik sometimes used, and here was another James Mallison inspiring this guy to become a Ph.D. and invent a new cosmological theory.
What was the word Joe used for such coincidences? Sync something.